In today's quick and short tutorial, we'll show you how to clear your cache and cookies on your Android phone. Today I'm using my Oppo phone and the Google Chrome browser, but steps will be similar for other browsers. Open up your browser and click on the three dots. From the drop-down list, scroll down and click on Settings. Once inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Now you need to open up the Delete Browsing Data. Here, you can clear your cookies and site data, as well as browsing history and cached images. Selecting these options will sign you out of most sites, so make sure you know your login details to get back into your accounts. When you are happy with your selections, click on the blue Delete Data button at the bottom. Wait for the deletion to complete before moving on to the next step. Now go back to your browser and open up one of your recent tabs. Click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner again, but this time, click the Info button at the top. Now click on the Cookies and Site Data option. This will now show how much data that particular website is storing on your phone. Press the Bin button if you wish to delete that data.